Experiment number 4, op-amp based analog to digital converter. In today's experiment, we are going to implement analog to digital converter circuits using op-amps and resistors. To build the circuits, we will use LM324 quad pack op-amp IC, which contains four op-amp gates inbuilt. Supply voltage is connected to pin number 4 and ground connected to pin number 11. Make sure that this IC package needs VCC voltage plus 5 volts only. Now build the circuits for 2-bit flash A to D converter. As we discussed in class, we need 3 op-amp to build 2-bit flash ADC, 2 raised to 2 minus 1, so it will be 4 minus 1 equal to 3. There are 3 comparators, 1, 2 and 3. 3 fixed reference voltage are connected through resistor networks. Input voltage, analog input, we will use through potentiometer, and that will be vary the input voltages to each comparators. So in first step, we can check the output voltages at pin number 8, 7 and 1. So for comparator C1, C2 and C3, and step by step linearly increase the input voltages according to check the output voltages C1, C2, C3. In step 2, you supposed to build digital logic circuit for encoder, which will convert 3 inputs to equivalent 2-bit digital output. So according to the comparator output C1, C2, C3, we supposed to observe output D0 and D1 with blinking of LED. So in this setup, first we will build the circuits based on the components given to you. Issue all the components and then build the circuits for step 1 on breadboard. Here this 3 LED indicates 3 outputs C1, C2 and C3. Connect plus 5 volts to reference voltage as well as to the IC, and connect common ground to the circuits also. Read the manuals and follow the steps. Make the observation tables, one for output input reference voltages to each comparator A, B and C. So that A, B, C symbol node voltages is given also in the figures. Observe the comparator outputs using multimeter C1, C2, C3, measure that voltages. You can also connect the LEDs to observe the output of comparators with respect to variations in the input. In final observation, we supposed to build the NAND gates or OR gates logic encoder circuit, which will convert 3-bit input into the 2-bit equivalent. So that will be your final output D0, D1 2-bit flash ADC. Connect 5 volt supply to the reference voltage as well as comparator IC LM324. Connect with the common ground. These 3 LEDs indicates comparators output C1, C2, C3 respectively. This is the potentiometers using which we can get the variations of the input in analog. This C1, C2, C3 output further can be extended to 2-bit flash encoders output circuits that you supposed to build yourself after designing the encoder circuit. So as you can see, now I am varying here input voltage So first comparator output is now high, second comparator's output now high, and then third comparator output is also high. So similarly I am again decreasing, so it is also decreasing input voltage and output is also going to off.